Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to burn fat in your sleep. Start tonight by setting a consistent sleep schedule and winding down an hour before bed to support hormones. Focus on balanced evening meals with protein and fiber rather than large carbs. Add light resistance training earlier in the day and avoid late alcohol or heavy snacking to help maintain metabolic rate while you rest. Build a simple evening routine that supports fat burning while you sleep. Choose a dinner with lean protein and vegetables, avoid heavy carbs late, and skip alcohol close to bedtime. Create a calm pre-sleep ritual with dim lights and no screens, and aim for at least 7 hours of uninterrupted rest. These habits help balance insulin, cortisol, and growth hormone for better overnight recovery and fat metabolism. Daily habits shape how your body burns fat while you sleep, so make small changes that stack over time. Include resistance training several times each week and spread protein through meals to protect muscle. Keep stress management tools like short walks or breathing breaks to lower cortisol. Stay active during the day with movement and avoid late-night binging so your body can efficiently use stored fat overnight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.